Hi and welcome to this unboxing video where we're going to be looking at the Fitbit Versa 2 smartwatch. I'm really keen to have a look at this and check out the new Amazon Alexa built-in. So I'll go to the description on the back though to show you what the key features are. 24/7 heart rate tracking, swim-proof and 4+ day battery life, automatically tracks activity and exercise, 15+ exercise modes and connected GPS, sleep tracking and sleep score, smartphone notifications and apps, Amazon Alexa built-in, always on display mode, store and play 300+ songs, and make secure purchases with Fitbit Pay. Okay, so let's get this cracked open and have a look at what's inside. Something more really to show you on the box. So it's just this little tab here. Just pull it open. Okay, got a little tab there to pull. There we go. So that's how it's presented. Let's just okay, welcome to the Fitbit family. If you have any questions, go to myhelp.fitbit. Okay, and inside this section you've got this three different size strap. So on the front of the box it shows SP, which is small and petite, and L and G for large, grand. So basically small or big wrists. You've got the straps in there for both, which they used to do the different size models, but it's now good that they put them both in the same box to make it easier. So in here is the charging device, I'm quite sure. Okay, so let's have a quick look at that. There you go. That's the other strap. And here's the watch. Okay. Right, so on this first video I just wanted to do the unboxing of it, but I'll be making more videos about the features and having a good look at all the features and how they work and testing them all out, especially the new Alexa Amazon built-in. That looks really good. So we'll have a good look at all those. So please join me for the next videos. You can have a good look at this watch and see what you think of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and click on the links to join me on my next videos.